Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. Today we're going to look at this cordless electric stapler from WORKPRO tools. Before I got this, I've been using this manual staple gun and I never thought of upgrading or trying an electric one until WORKPRO tools sent me this for testing and review. And of course, switching from manual to electric, it blows me away because the difference is night and day. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box to show you what we get inside. So we have the operation instruction and a thank you card, a brochure that shows the different products that they sell, and we got the 5 volts 1 ampere charger, which I really like because it's just a standard rounded plug that can be easily replaced if it breaks or you lose it. And the other thing worth mentioning is that the charger is auto voltage from 100 to 240 volts, which means, like in my case, I can send one back home as a gift, which the standard voltage there is 220 volts, and it's going to work no problem without burning the charger, again because the charger is auto volts from 100 to 240 volts AC. It is nice that it also comes with staple wires and brad nails, 1,000 pieces each box. And it's a 5-in-1 staple gun, so we can use 3 different sizes of staple wires and 2 types of nails. There is a power LED indicator and switch at the back that you can turn on and off when not in use, for safety of course and to save the battery life. To release the magazine, you just have to push down the lock and pull it out. Okay, so let's try to load the brad nails and the staple wire. So what you have to do is to press this down and then pull it out. And just want to mention this because I know lots of people get confused how to load the staple wires and the nails. At the top, there's a slot here that it looks like the brad nails has to go there, but actually it's not. Even the staple wires, it looks like also going this way, but that's not the way you load the staple wires and the brad nails. To load it, you have to put the staple gun upside down. So here you can see the markings of the different staple wires that you can use, and also 2 kinds of nails that you can use, and the arrow that indicates you like where to put the nails when you loading it. So it means when you are using the brad nails, the head of course is going to be upside down, so you have to put it on the side and you just have to close that like that. So that's how easy it is. I'm leaning the staple gun towards me when loading the brad nails, of course, so that it will lean onto the side here. Otherwise, if you put it straight, it's gonna be fall to the other side. So just go like that and then push this and then lock it. Right, so let's remove this and then load the staple wires. By the way, you can only load one at a time to 1 feet. So if you're loading the staple wires this size, this is the biggest size that you can use with this gun. You don't have to lean it towards you. Just put that straight, and then if you miss that, it doesn't go like that. You just have to keep trying like that. See? All right. If you do that, it will just gonna touch it and then you can lock it. Right. Unless if you are using the narrow one, I would suggest to lean it towards you so that the staple wire will lean on this side as well, because it has to be aligned to the plastic on the side and the plastic in the middle of the loader. And again, when you load the staple wire straight like that, don't get frustrated. The technique is you have to do like this. See, it goes in easily if you do that, right? It will align by itself, right? It will get stuck like that. Do it again, push it like that. That's how easy it is. Alright, so that's how you load the staple wires and the brad nails. And now let's put this staple gun to the test. But actually, before we do that, let's see first the weight difference between my manual staple gun and the WORKPRO. So the Mastercraft, which is the manual staple gun, is 1.96 pounds. So let's see how heavy is the WORKPRO. We can hang that properly there. So there you go, 2.39 pounds, which is almost the same. So it's only like 0.4 pounds difference, considering that the WORKPRO has battery inside. I was expecting that it's gonna be a lot heavier, like probably like you know, like almost 3 pounds, but it's only 2.3, so it's not heavy at all. So I have these drawers that I just assembled, and the nails that comes with it to install the back cover for me is not enough, so I guess it's perfect time to try this staple gun. And there you can see, using the hammer I have to be really careful not to hit the edge of the sidewall, but with the staple gun you don't have to worry about that. And there you are, you can see how quick and convenient to have an electric staple gun. The manual staple gun that I have, I can only use a staple wire, so it's not gonna work with this kind of project. That's the limitation of it. Now let's do another test with this piece of wood. There you can see the first two nails aren't flush, heads are still sticking out. I wasn't pushing the staple gun down, I just let the internal hammer of the gun do all the work. But you can see after that the rest are really flush. Now let's change it to staple wire and do the same. And there you are. So because this 2x4 is new, it means that it's not completely dry, still kind of soft. So let me grab an old piece of wood. I have lots kicking around the house, so let me go ahead and grab one. Okay, so I found one. As you can see, it has a couple of staple wires on it already. So let's try and see if there's any difference. So I don't see any difference, so it means that this WORKPRO electric staple gun is powerful enough to use on any DIY repair or project around the house. So let's try the brad nails again. And there it is. It's just exactly the same, so it means it passed my expectation. Alright, so that is my review of the electric rechargeable staple gun from WORKPRO Tools. You guys see it works very well, and considering that it is a 5-in-1, it's very versatile. So I guess it's time for my manual staple gun to retire. If you want to get one for yourself, you can get it from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description below, or you can get it directly from workprotools.com. If you find this video informative and useful, don't forget to click the like button and consider subscribing. I know that my content is random, but you'll never know. Maybe the next one will be useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.